welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you all are having a fantastic day. So, I do want to remind you guys, we do have our Luxury Divas giveaway going on. So that link is down below if you would like to sign up to enter to win that. You do not have to be a current subscriber. You could be a subscriber or not. You could win either way. So sign up for that and take your chance at winning a free month. It'll be awesome. But today's video, as you can see from the description below, is a BH Cosmetics haul. I did order some stuff and I'm excited. So let's just get into it. I picked up a couple of things that I had been eyeing, and then there was, honestly, what made me pick it up, do the order, was there was a brand new palette that they released and it looked fabulous. It's not really that new now because it took a while to get to me, but it is what it is. So the first thing I got, and I got this because, I mean, I have a beauty blender and everything, but I really wanted to try this little sponge here that they like got flipped around in shipping or something, so I'll show it to you upside down. But I just really liked how precise, and this is called a precision sponge, so I just liked how precise this was and how I could probably really like get up in. So I picked this up. I don't know, just thought I'd give it a try. I picked up, this is one of my favorite formulas, really. I think it's amazing. It's one of their liquid linen long-lasting lip colors, and this is in the color Anya. And I just thought this color was super pretty for summer and spring. So there is that guy. We'll do a little swatch. But yeah, I love, oh my gosh. Oh yes. I think that is so pretty right there. Gorgeous. And then I picked up, I picked this up. Okay, see, this is, I'm telling you, it took like 3 weeks or so for this to get to me. I picked up this, it's a waterproof eyeliner, and it's the kind that I like, and I actually just got in my Ipsy bag, but it's okay. You can never have too many eyeliners, because I don't really care for the liquid liners or anything, and this is more of the like gel pencil type. You know, you don't actually have to sharpen it, and obviously it is in black, so I was excited about that guy. They were having a sale, and I think I had a coupon, so I got a really good deal on all this stuff. And then my brush collection is obviously growing tremendously with all these different subscriptions. So I actually have 2 of these already. I have a black one and then like a marble, but this is one of their brush holders, and I really like them. And I, you know, because it goes with the same design. I do have some others that, you know, are different, but I needed another one. And I thought this was cute. It goes with those others. And again, they were having a sale with a discount. This was like $4. So there's that guy. And it worked out because another part of the sale they were having was if you spent, I want to say $30 or $40, you got a free Royal Affair brush set, which is fantastic because I actually ordered this for my 2,000 subscriber giveaway. And when it came in, I was looking at the box and I was like, darn, I should have picked one up. Well, now I got it for free with this order. So let's take a look. Obviously, I didn't open the one for the giveaway because they weren't really my brushes to open. So here is how it looks. These are so pretty. These are like so pretty. And obviously there's a mixture of, you know, face brushes and eye brushes. I'm not going to show you every single one because we'd be here all day. But like this is obviously a face brush. And it is so pretty and like, yes. Oh my goodness. Okay. And then let me see. Let me find a like an eye brush to show you. So this is like a small shader brush. You could use this for up under your eye or packing on like right in the center. But again, I think these brushes are gorgeous. I love the way they feel. So I am so excited that that was thrown in extra for me. All right, so now let's get to some of the other stuff. I'm not sure, I honestly don't remember what this is. Oh, it's 2 palettes. Oh, I do remember now. Oh, I do remember. Okay, I remember the one because it was new. But I did not remember these. Okay. Oh, yes, because I actually, so today is, what is today? The 18th of May when I'm filming. I'm not sure when I'll post this, but today is May 18th. I actually ordered this stuff on my birthday, which was May 2nd. And I remember that because I ordered the Taurus, the little mini Taurus Zodiac palette. Oh no! That makes me sad. I'll have to email them. Y'all, that makes me so sad. And this was, I mean, it's still obviously the shadows. The other ones are fine. But that center. Oh, man. Okay. And they package everything so well, so I'm really surprised, but I'll email them about this. So, what can you do? And then I picked up, I'd been eyeing this guy for a little while, and I think it finally was on sale. But this is their Love in London palette. And again, I just think it's really pretty. This is the actual palette itself. Has a lot of shimmers, which you guys know I love, so, but these colors are just beautiful. I just really, really love these colors. And these are colors I think that work, you know, for spring and summer, or can transition great to fall. And then, you know, there is this large mirror here, so yay. I'm really bummed about that Taurus palette. All right, so then the final thing I ordered was a new palette they just released. Sorry for the noise. You guys, and this palette looks gorgeous. And this is another one I think that works summer and can transition into fall. And it is, if it'll stay in there, their Santa Fe palette. Is that not gorgeous? And we're just looking at the packaging. Again, there is a really large mirror. And this has a good mix of shimmers, mattes. But look at this, you guys. Like, that is so pretty. It's 20 colors. I think I may have said that, but I'm not sure. But I just saw this and I was like, I need that. So this is so beautiful and I cannot wait to play around with this. And I'm loving that color right there. And then we got these like champagne-y and like rose goldy colors. I can't wait. It's going to be so fun. So that was my BH Cosmetics haul. Just to recap, we got the Santa Fe palette. This is a new release for them. The Love in London palette, which is gorgeous. Unfortunately, the broken Taurus Zodiac palette. So like I said, I will email them. this really pretty liquid linen lipstick, which dried down fantastic, and I just love that color. The gel crayon eyeliner, and then this sponge, you know, like I said, to kind of really get up in there. The brush holder, and then obviously I got the set of 10 brushes, the Royal Affair brushes. I do have that palette, and I love that palette. It is amazing. So that was everything in my BH Cosmetics order. Let me know what you guys think down below, especially about that Santa Fe palette, being that it is new. Again, I can't wait to play around with it, and I am so excited about this lip. Like, it almost matches my nails. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, let me know down below what you guys think of the palettes, and I hope you have a fantastic day. I'll see you guys with the next one. Bye.